Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So, what's going on, my brother? This video is going very special for XRP new holder. Yes, if you are XRP new holder, that this video keep watch. I hope you learn something very new. So, let's start the live price production. And then I have one good news also. So, let's start the price production this time. But before I get start the live price production, I request you, my brother, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please, if you are new on this channel, subscribe this channel. This channel is provide you very latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So let's get start the live price prediction, guys. This time I'm gonna show you the three charts. First of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour chart, what's going on the chart. Number one, okay, please note these readings. This is very important because at the end we decide to sell, hold or buy. What we do at this critical situation, everybody know that all cryptocurrency goes down, and crypto market lost 10 billion US dollar. As if you know, then please keep watch our go and visit our YouTube channel and check video special for this. Okay, so if you can see here the changes, come to the point, guys, please come to the point. Okay, understand. So plus 1.35% they go off. This is very big change person. You can see here they totally gone, and the graph result you check out, they totally go up fastly. So congratulations, brother. Totally channeling sorry, XRP totally goes, and the before 2 days when I see my result, and this time I'm a holder of XRP, then totally they'll end the lost, but this time they're taking very big jump and the last 1 hour. So congratulations, the price also changed. So congratulations, 1.04 US dollar as the latest price. So remember, this price is very important. Okay, so let's check out the second chart. The second chart as a 1 day last 24-hour result. Oh my goodness, I am also right. You can see here the changes. This is 1 day chart, you can see here, and the change as minus 0.29%. First of all, there is a negative change. You remember the last 1 hour change is a positive, remember. Okay, but the second chart, the last 24 hour, as in for negative. So why they negative? Because the mid of night of, I think, they totally gone, and the loss they totally gone down. Therefore the total average as of a higher change as and negative. Okay, and 0.29%. So you can see here the chart result. The chart result has totally gone down, but they take again starting jumping. You can see here they take a good jump. So I hope the price is increased. You can see here the price is increased 1.08 US dollar as the price of last 24 hour of XRP. So let's check out the third chart. Remember these changes also. Okay, let's check out the last 7 days, the last 2 weeks, the last 7 days chart. Oh my goodness, guys, in the last 7 days all cryptocurrencies goes down, but XRP is the very fastest cryptocurrency, everybody understand. Plus 69.4% they're going up. So this is not a small change. They're record. This is record. They're gone like a rocket. This is very high change. You can see here, and the price is also increased to 1.09 US dollar. So if you remember the last first chart when I show you the 1 hour chart, the price is 1.04 US dollar. Can you remember? And the change is just 1.4% going up. So the second change is a negative. You can see here everything. If you remember, then I decide my expectation is very good from XRP, and I decide to hold it, cannot sell it. Please hold it. And if you have any plan to buy more, my brothers, please, my brother and sister, please buy it in those days. Okay, in these days they gone like a rocket, so please buy it in these days and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire, they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching, brother. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel for more informative this type video. Hope you subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Also like video. Okay, complete 1000 like. Allah Hafiz.